Hello and welcome here by Haka Productions. Today I will show you another from our assets, but this asset is a bit different to our other assets before because this asset is isn't just for an RPG. This asset has four different movement systems. You can use it for 2D games or for 3D games or for SiteScroller, top-down or whatever you want. But I don't wanna talk along. I just show you directly. So we start in demo scene. Here we have our capsule and ground. This ground need the layer ground. You can create it if you press here or click here, add layer and white ground, and then choose the ground layer. Our capsule needs a side scroller movement. If you add it, he will add automatically the rigid body 2D. For my setting now, it's good if I freeze the Z rotation because the capsule will make a looping otherwise. I can show you. I can show you what I mean. So if I walk now, yeah, don't know what's happened, but if I freeze it, it works very good. So I just freeze the Z rotation and then all is fine. Uh, Now the game is running. Now I can show you the side scroller. Here you can use your input actions. The move up and move down you can ignore. This is for later updates. Um, the default run. Now it's unchecked, so he will by default walking. But if I check it now, he will running. And if I run and press shift, he will walk again. And if I unchecked it, he will and press shift, he will run. Now I can show you the double jump. For now it's unchecked, so I just can jump one time. But now the capsule isn't on ground more, so I can't jump. Now I can jump. And if I do a double jump available, you can double jump. So maybe you see it, maybe not. If you press the space key short time, you will make a short jump. If you press the space key long time, you make a big jump. Yeah, and you can do a big double jump or a short double jump. Uh, yeah, for that here you can switch the position of your cam and more. you don't need to know. Ah, it's secure time and buffer time. This is for the jump. If you leave the ground, how long your player can jump before jump is unarrivable. Will I come up? Come on. Ah, shit. Yeah, the buffer time and cure time is how long your player have time to jump after leave the ground. So now the 3D movements. We will start by top down because the top down movement is workable with 3D and 2D. Doesn't matter what you use. So we just will press play and then I will explain. So what happened now? Where's our cam? Huh? Huh? Ah, I don't check it. Okay. So now I checked. No, it worked. So now you see the camera transform is fine by self. Um, for that, you can use the main camera as default, or you can create inside your player, so as child, an empty game object and use, for example, Cinemachine. The only thing what you need to do is use it, name it player cam, and then it's fine. If you have now Cinemachine and have a Cinemachine brain on your camera and put an Cinemachine cam on this game object, then the script will use this, not the main cam. If the script don't find this, he will use the main cam. So this look at point, it's an empty game object too. We can see it in scene. This point, for top down, I place it a little bit higher than the player and on same point than the player. For third person, it can still there, and first person, you can put it on the face on your player, but I will show it you. But still, but let's still on top down. For now, here is our movement. We can change it. Let's say we use Q, then don't work because it need the reload. Let's say use Q for forward, and now Y don't work and Q work. Very good. Let's change it back to V. Here is the same as default run and double jump like in 2D. Default is run, plus shift is walk. It's default not run, then you walk, and plus shift you run. Jump arrivable make the same. And yeah. Then you can change the angle like that. Yeah. And the height, let's say 20. You can change the zoom. For now I think 3 is okay. And then you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay. So then let's look for the third person. We check it. The third person used the look at point 2. I don't know if I say it, but the look at point you need name it right there. Uh, right there? Right so? Or whatever. Um, it needs this name. And yeah, for the most third person, it's really good if the look at point is a little bit higher than the head of the player. But let's don't talk along, just press play. Now we have an orbiter camera. Let's say offset null, offset 0, and we can use our movement. Yeah, this camera can now go to the ground, to the terrain, whatever. If we say the collision layer is everything, or make a ground, or let's say ground, and let's give the terrain the ground layer, then ah, then you can see the camera is collide with terrain. If you have now other objects in your scene, you can use environment layer or something else, or you just use everything. Still work with every time, every from this all. Um. Let's make a look for the last script, the first person movement. Here settings like the others, the look at and camera transform is same like the third person, and the collider is same true, but you don't need it. I will change it. I will change it in some updates. And now you no, we need change the position of the look at point. Zack, machen wir mehr. So, now you see head, whatever. And if we press play now, we have our third person camera. Yeah. Let's make a look for the first person settings. It's the same like the third person. So I just need to explain again. Yeah, if you like this asset, leave a comment, leave a like, and thanks for your donation. Have fun. Ciao.